Well, it's not what you think it is, but it's certainly unique and cool. You gotta love it when people take something and make it their own. And I dig this. Nice amber hue on this little lacquer job. This is after cleaning the faceplate off, obviously, and trying to knock some of the funk off the hardware. But she needs a cap job, and we're gonna give her one. Gonna remove both boards, the whole thing, just gut the chassis. Give her the love she deserves. It's a 1993 Blues Deville 212. She's a beast. Let's see, on your 93 Blues Deville, she's held up remarkably well. However, almost every single one of these caps is leaking. I don't see any evidence of PCB charring, which is nice. It looks like Fender actually put a little bit of silicon between these resistors here, cement block resistors rather, and the PCB. And there's a little bit of an air gap between these diodes here, which is nice. So maybe that's what's responsible for this thing having the condition that it has now. But we'll take a peek at the rest of it. But for sure, a cap job. I tested your power tubes. They're holding up great. Your 2 PCB looks great as well. But while I have this stuff out there, I may keep or recommend keeping the diodes as they are because it looks great right now. But then just replacing these 5-watt resistors here. Maybe. We'll see. But otherwise, she's holding up remarkably well. Just some fairly obvious 120 in the background. We'll go ahead and get all this stuff cleaned up as well. She'll be super happy, huh? And that's about it, man. You take care.